Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. We go straight to the foreign exchange market. Despite intervention by the central bank on Thursday, the dollar continues to lose value, closing at its lowest in 2 months on Friday. The US dollar ended today at $136.60. That's the highest average price the greenback has had since May. Since the start of this month, the dollar has lost 4% of its value. The Canadian dollar at the close of business was $105.05. Sterling is going for $169.98, while the euro is going for $153.98. Sagicor Real Estate X Fund says it's actively seeking new investments in the Caribbean and Latin America. The entity, which formed a partnership with the Playa Hotels last year, said it will have a new and renovated resorts up and running in Mexico and the Dominican Republic before year-end.
The hotels in Mexico remained open while they closed sections for these renovations and rebranding, whereas the two in DR are totally new properties. These are expected to be open for business in Q4 of 2019, so we expect them to be fully operational in 2020. And of course, that will improve their revenues, and X-Fund will benefit and share in this performance.
The company's CEO says they're looking to gain more from the growing conference and events market, starting with the DoubleTree Resort in Florida.
Because we recognize that group business, as I just said, generates higher revenues and is more profitable in the market, we're now pursuing the addition of 25,000 square feet of conference facilities in order to better target this market. We currently have 63,000 square feet of meeting room space, and this ranks us number 24 in terms of space in peer convention hotels. So you can understand that being able to offer large conferencing facilities is a selling point, a strong selling point in this market. And we recognize this as an area that we need to invest in to drive revenue potential for this property.
The project is scheduled to be completed in 2 years. Sagicor expects to see a 30% increase in revenues from the initiative. Ratings agency Moody's has downgraded Digicel's creditworthiness, signaling that it believes the telecoms firm will have to restructure its debt again within the next 12 to 18 months. The rating has been cut to negative. Digicel has been producing unflattering operating results with declines in earnings and a negative free cash flow. Moody's says that reality means the risk of the company refinancing its debt is high. Last month, a Bloomberg report said Digicel's revenues slipped by 3% to $570 million, partly due to the effects of foreign currency exchange. Digicel's next large debt maturity is the $1.3 billion notes, which are due for payment in April 2021. Another day, another record close for the JC index. That index closed 6,820 points higher at a record just under 490,000 points. The junior market index, however, dipped by 26 points. The top performers today included Berita Investments, Siboney Group, JMMB Group, AMG Packaging and Paper, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. On the losing end were CAC 2000, 9.5%, Preference Shares, Lasco Distributors, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Blue Power, and Supreme Ventures. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.